My name is Paula Gomes. I study level 3 travel and tourism and I study at East Sussex College, Eastbourne. On travel and tourism course we learn about resort reps, tour operators, travel agencies, UK airports, worldwide airports. We also learn about the political, economical, social that have an influence on the travel and tourism in the UK. We also learn about customer service, health and safety procedures and how an organisation works around it. So when I moved from South America to England, I still had the mentality like in Spanish. Like I would think in Spanish, the teacher would be talking to me in English, but I would just translate it in my own head in Spanish. So it was very tricky and it was really hard for me. Like I felt quite different. It was really hard for me. I would go home just like literally cry to my mum. So obviously she was a big support and the teacher supported me by like helping me, like explaining it easier, and that just helped me so much. Last year we had work experience and that does help us with the course because you go into the actual workplace that's raised to travel and tourism, so you deal with customers and like guests, and you also go on trips. We recently went to London Eye, we're going to Sorrento, British Airways in Gatwick, and we've been to Thorpe Park where we had like meetings about customer service, how they deal with it, and about signage and postage that will lead customers to the attractions. So that all went into assignment, and it does help us with the course. The personal skills I learnt in college was that more independence, time management is key. Making new friends, like meeting new people, communicating better, because I was very like closed, and now college just like literally it made it easier for me. I would definitely recommend East Sussex College because it did help me personally grow. College does change you a bit, but I think that if you have the correct mindset and the correct place, then you will be able to achieve whatever you want to in life. So I think I would definitely recommend college because of that.